Welcome to this Nocospray tutorial. For this video, we will discuss what, when, and where does it make sense to treat with the Nocospray system. When does it make sense to use the Nocospray system? Anytime you want to disinfect an area completely, for example, if you have an outbreak of some kind like norovirus, C. diff, or the flu. But don't wait for a crisis to practice the best disinfection you can. Prevention is the best medicine. When a patient is discharged or transferred, it is a great time to treat a room to cover all your bases. This way, you can ensure every newly admitted patient enters an infection-free room. Or if the space allows, include one-time doses as part of your regular infection control routine. As a rule of thumb, the Nocospray system can be used to disinfect the hard surfaces in any enclosed area. Enclosed means it can be blocked off with barriers so that people can't go in and the Noco leaves won't go out. So you want to make sure there are full walls, no curtains, closed windows, and closed doors. Great places to Nocospray include single patient rooms, bathrooms, equipment rooms, examination rooms, and private offices. AMG will work with you to create protocols for spaces you are likely to disinfect. For more information on how to set up a room or the machine, visit our other training videos at nocospray.ca.